Look over here. This is Shirley. Rider 7 electric scooter is a 72 v 8000 watts dual motor foldable electric scooter. Max speed 90 to 120 km per hour. The battery can do up to 72 v 40ah, range 80 to 120 km. The tire size is 11-inch. There are two options of road tires and off-road tires, which are suitable for urban daily travel and outdoor off-road riding. Equipped with Livy controller, with NFC card unlock, password unlock, app settings and other functions. It also has the function of speed limit by one button, 3 riding modes, 3 speed gears, 2 motors free switching, bring you a rich riding experience. Throttle is available in half-twist throttle and finger throttle. When you buy the scooter, we will give you a free removable seat. No matter you want to ride standing or sitting, this model can meet you. Cell phone holders, mirrors, and hanging bags can be given as gifts. In addition, the Rider 7 scooter can also be customized with dampers. If you are looking for high-speed riding, the damper is a good choice. If you want more power, we can customize the 10,000 watts version for you. Please feel free to contact me.